Hello, you guys. It's Lauren coming at you with a video of how I style my TWA. I recently just rinsed it, an aqua bluish color. It really looks more of a bluish green color. I'm kind of liking it so far, but I have to style it in order for you guys to get the full effect of it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First, I have my Bella Curls. Coconut water, replenish water. Just going to spray that over my entire head. Keep it moist so I won't be styling on completely dry hair. I'm just going to damp it. Rub that in. Okay. Alright. And since I've already damped my hair with the coconut water, I'm going to go ahead and use my sponge because I like my hair to look spongy. And I'm just going to rotate that in a circular motion all throughout my hair. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's already like coiling and curling up. I like to do one side at a time so I can really get like the full effects of it. And I'm pressing pretty firm in my head. See that? And I like to go in with the bottoms and get the corners of it. Just so I can make sure my edges are coily as well. I'm pressing pretty firm so I can get like a very hard curl coily look. And as you can see, it's already popping. The curls are already popping out. Alright. And next, I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture curl cluster. And I like to use this to make the curls pop even more. I probably should have used this before I used the sponge. And like I said, again, I'm pressing pretty firm down in my hair. So the curls can really like pop. And they almost look a little dready. But that's okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and get started with the actual style. I have my bag of goodies here, so that's what I'm reaching in. So as you all can see, I already kind of have a pre-part. So I'm going to go ahead and make that part stand out even more. So I'm going to go ahead and part it. I might do like a deep part here for you guys. Okay. And that's already parted. Kind of do like a little side part right there. Alright. Okay. Alright, so this is pretty much the desired part that I want. So now that I have my hair parted, I'm going to go ahead and use some edge control. This is the On Natural Edge Control. I really like it. It's good. So what I'm going to do is take the edge control, a little bit of edge control, and put it directly on the part. And that pretty much sections the hair and keeps the hair separated the way that you want it. So you won't have to keep going back over it. Okay. So you put your edge control directly on the part and see how that stays in place. Yeah, so just going to add a little bit more. Make sure. Okay. Alright, so now that my part is intact, now I'm going to go ahead and slick my edges down. Alright, so take the edge control and I go ahead and put them on the areas where I would like for it to be slicked down the most. And that's directly on the edges. Okay. Okay. And you don't want to use too much because you don't want your hair to look cakey, especially in the edge part of it. So yeah. But definitely make sure you're using enough that your edges are slick down. Okay. Okay. And then I just go ahead and take my brush. Now you can do your hair two different kind of ways. You can brush the edges back and have it in a more like slick back look, and that's good for pretty much anybody who likes who likes to do their hair the baby hair way. I don't have any baby hair, so I like to brush my hair straight down and give it a more formed look for myself. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush my edges straight down. Give it a more uniform look. Alright, so as you can see, my edges are more slicked down. Okay. And I also like to do this for the front part of my hair. I like to slick the front part of my hair down as well. Because I don't have baby hairs, it kind of gives it more of a baby hair effect. Instead of actually having instead of just having baby hairs. So I'm slicking both of my sides down. I don't know if you all can see, but I'm slicking this side down as well, and giving that more of a tamed look. I just take what I can from the front and just give it a more slick look. Okay. And again, I'm just rubbing the edge control into my hair the way that I like it. I'm just trying to get all the edges slicked down. Alright. Now that my edges are pretty much slicked, and this piece right here, pull it up. Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel for the finished look. Now that I have all my edges sitting in a nice place where I want them, I just take a good amount of edge control and just kind of rub it all through like the top of the curls, and just do it gently. Don't try to be so rough. And just continuously to gently rub that through all throughout the scalp. Alright, take a little bit of gel. Take a little bit of Eco Styler gel and gel my edges down just a little bit. Okay, see, now it's giving it a more slick, edgier look. And this piece, curl it up. That little curly piece, you see that? It looks straight, but there it is. Okay, it's cooperating with me now. Okay, and then just take some more Eco Styler gel and rub it throughout the front. And my hair right now is so like, it's not hard, but it's like it's holding in place. Like you can tell, like these edges ain't going nowhere, and neither is my curls. Okay, all right. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more and rub it throughout the hair. And then I'm going to take that sponge and finish it off. Just lightly sponge it. Just to give it a little bit more bounce. Don't touch your edges though, because you will mess your edges up. Okay? So don't try to get too close and try to, do too much. But, yep. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I'm really, really pleased with this look. I'm really loving this color as well. So, yeah, that's basically pretty much it. Like, now that my hair is actually done, boop, boop. Now that my hair is actually done, I think I really love the color even more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. That's my butt. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. If you didn't, you know, just leave me some comments on some suggestions on what you all, you know, think I might do or would like to see from me. But again, thank you all for watching. And just a last minute accessory, you know, throw you some glasses on with them, girl. There you go. My glasses are a little dirty, but it's okay. And then you got yourself a look. It's a look, boo. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.